Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Tired of spending a fortune at coffee shops just to get that perfect espresso? Or maybe your old coffee maker just doesn't hit the mark anymore. Don't worry. Today we're checking out 5 of the best espresso machines that can bring cafe-quality coffee straight to your kitchen. From powerful semi-automatics to easy one-touch models, there's something here for every coffee lover. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. Mcilpoog M3 Espresso Machine. The Mcilpoog M3 is an automatic built-in coffee machine designed for anyone who wants a high-quality brew with minimal effort. It features a 20-bar pump, 1500 to 1785 watts of power, and a built-in grinder that ensures fresh flavor in every shot. The touchscreen control panel is simple to use, giving you access to 7 coffee varieties including espresso, latte, cappuccino, and macchiato. The automatic milk frother makes creamy foam in seconds, while the 2-cup brewing system lets you prepare drinks for 2 at once. It also includes a self-cleaning function, anti-drip design, and a generous 2-liter water tank for easy use. Pros: built-in grinder and milk frother for a true all-in-one setup. Easy touchscreen control for multiple drink options. Cons: plastic housing feels less premium than metal designs. Who it's for: perfect for beginners and everyday coffee lovers who want quality without the hassle. Final verdict: the Mcilpoog M3 is a dependable choice that balances convenience, performance, and value for daily use. Product number 2. HiBREW H10B Espresso Machine. The HiBREW H10B is a sleek semi-automatic espresso machine that gives you real control over your coffee. With a stainless steel shell and a compact build, it fits neatly on any kitchen counter. It delivers 20 bars of pressure for rich flavor extraction and offers temperature and volume adjustments for a personalized brew. You can fine-tune pre-brewing time, coffee volume, and steam temperature, giving you the freedom to experiment. The 51mm portafilter helps ensure balanced pressure during extraction, making each shot consistent and flavorful. Despite its slim profile, this model is packed with features that make it stand out for both beginners and enthusiasts. Pros: adjustable temperature and brewing volume for precise control. Compact stainless steel body ideal for smaller spaces. Cons: lacks a built-in grinder, so you'll need to grind beans separately. Who it's for: best suited for users who love customizing their coffee and enjoy the process of brewing by hand. Final verdict: the HiBREW H10B combines performance, style, and flexibility, offering barista-like control in a home-friendly package. Product number 3. CAFOVO E120 Espresso Machine. The CAFOVO E120 is a semi-automatic dual-boiler espresso machine made for those who value both performance and precision. Built from stainless steel, it's powered by a 2750W motor and a 15-bar Italian pump. The dual-boiler setup allows you to brew coffee and steam milk at the same time, cutting down on wait time. It features an OLED display for easy control and monitoring, and you can adjust pre-infusion time and brew settings to get your perfect cup. Safety features like OPV pressure valves and automatic pressure release make it dependable for home or small cafe use. The design feels professional, durable, and built for long-lasting quality. Pros: dual boilers allow simultaneous brewing and steaming. OLED screen and customizable settings provide precision and clarity. Cons: heavier and more expensive than typical home models. Who it's for: great for coffee lovers or small cafe owners who need consistent results. Final verdict: the CAFOVO E120 offers professional-grade performance and durability, making it one of the best mid-range dual-boiler options on the market. Product number 4. Mcilpoog WS817 Espresso Machine. The Mcilpoog WS817 is a fully automatic espresso machine built for people who want premium performance without complexity. It features a 19-bar pump, a large 2-liter water tank, and a 1-kilogram bean container. With a vibrant 7-inch color touchscreen, you can choose from 21 drink options including espresso, latte, cappuccino, and macchiato. It has an automatic milk frother, built-in grinder, and smart self-cleaning system that keeps everything fresh with little effort. The dual-cup brewing lets you make 2 drinks at once, while its powerful system ensures consistent flavor and aroma. Designed with modern looks and strong performance, this model is great for both home and office use. Pros: offers 21 preset drinks and a large capacity for beans and water. Easy-to-use color display with self-cleaning and automatic frothing. Cons. Larger footprint may not suit small counters. Who it's for. Ideal for households or small offices that enjoy coffee variety and convenience. Final verdict. The Mcilpoog WS817 blends technology and taste, giving you cafe-level coffee options with minimal effort and a sleek look. Product number 5. XMSJ 12-Cup Espresso Machine. The XMSJ 12-Cup Espresso Machine is designed for simplicity and everyday comfort. It's a fully automatic system that brews espresso, cappuccino, latte, or Americano with a single press. With a 15-bar pump and 1350W heating element, it delivers rich aroma and smooth crema in every cup. The built-in milk frother makes creamy foam instantly, while the adjustable grinder lets you choose from 4 grind levels to match your preference. It includes a 1.5-liter removable water tank and dual cup option for quick sharing. The automatic cleaning system saves time and effort, keeping your machine fresh for each brew. Compact and stylish, it's perfect for small kitchens or offices. Pros. One-touch brewing with built-in milk frother for easy operation. Compact yet large enough for up to 12 cups of coffee. Cons. Limited customization compared to advanced models. Who it's for. Great for users who want fast, easy coffee without dealing with complex settings. Final verdict. The XMSJ 12-Cup Espresso Machine offers convenience and quality, making it an ideal pick for busy coffee enthusiasts who value simplicity. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.